little friends. Let's learn the alphabet together. Are you ready? Let's go!
A is for apple. Yummy red apple.
Me, B is for ball. Round and bouncy ball.
C is for cat. Meow, friendly cat.
D is for duck.
Little friend.
F is for fish. Swim, swim. G is for giraffe. Tall and sweet. H is for hat. Nice and bright hat.
I is for ice cream. Cold and yummy.
J is for jelly.
Wobble, wobble.
K is for kite. Up in the sky.
L is for lion. Little lion, roar softly.
M is for monkey. Happy monkey friend.
N is for nest. Cozy bird home.
O is for orange. Fresh and round.
P is for panda. Soft and cuddly.
Q is for queen. Pretty little queen. R is for rainbow. Colorful and bright. S is for sun. Warm and happy. T is for turtle. Slow and cute. U is for umbrella. Keeps us dry.
V is for van. Beep, beep.
V. W is for whale. Big and friendly. X is for xylophone. Ding, ding, ding. I is for yo-yo. Up and down. Z is for zebra. Black and white friend.
Great job! You learned all the alphabet letters. See you again, little friends.